Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Atlas. So today I will show you a well-known crypto exchange which is called KuCoin. So you're gonna see all the benefits of how to trade, futures trading, spot trading, and etc. All the opportunities of this exchange, and let's get started. As you can see guys, this is my YouTube channel Atlas Crypto, so you can subscribe, click the like button and watch new videos. So let's now return to the crypto exchange KuCoin, where trust first and trade is next. Trust is the currency we trade in, so sign up now, and also you can watch the trailer about KuCoin. So it's so easy there, just you sign up with your Gmail and that's it, verify, and that's all. So trading cryptocurrencies, as you can see, of course, first of all is Bitcoin, and there is Ethereum, KuCoin token, and etc. New tokens which is recently added. Here you can see, and top gainers, there you can see, for example, DYOR is more than 100%, and this is big achievement. So there you can view more and sign up reward. So sign up right now, and new here we have got you covered 100 USDT token, 400 USDT coupon, and 10,500 USDT futures trail funds. But you have to read their rules first of all, because they don't give it to you for free, and they have rules. So you should their trade, futures trading, and etc. to receive these rewards. So to trade there you can see buy crypto. First of all, if you want to buy also, or you can also transfer your crypto into KuCoin account, your account, or you can buy some crypto with a P2P trading. So fiat deposit and third party you can see their Banxa, Simplex, and etc. So and KuCoin card and KuCoin pay. So markets, there you can see, which was like before Bitcoin, like hot pairs recently added, and etc. There is trade, spot trading, margin trading, and etc. Okay, let's take a look. This is like a spot trading, and after that you can see margin trading. And the crypto exchange, yeah, it's loading, and there you can see also derivatives, what you have there, futures overview, and so on. You can also earn with staking, for example, staking KuCoin token, and there is so many functions. That's why if you wanna like second, third, or fourth video about this exchange, you can write at comments right now, and I will make the next one. So there you can see they opened Bitcoin USDT pair. You can see the prices, and there you can buy so easy manual, and also you can make a trading, and open and position short or long part. And there is so many things there. For example, let's take a look over your KuCoin earn, saving, staking, promotions, hold to earn, and loyal stake like KuCoins to earn exclusive benefits, so shark fin, and etc. There you can see, and trade, margin trading, let's take a look. But before going to it, there is also trading bot. Automate your trades with algorithmic help, and the easiest way to trade. So you can open their manual. It's loading. Yeah, you can buy. There you can see it's cross margin or isolated margin. Cross, it means that it's like all your balance. If you lose, you're gonna lose all your balance. And isolated is that you open, for example, 100 USDT, and if you lost position, you only lost 100 USDT. So if you wanna, I can make videos about trading too, and just write at comments. And for today I think it's enough. Thanks for watching me till the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Crypto Atlas, and click the like button, and see you in the next videos. Bye my dear friends.